What's going on YouTube? This is Jerry. We're going to be doing a quick video on turn signal mods for the Vitpilen 401. And we're going to swap them out with these new rage cycle turn signals. And we're also going to install the custom LED ELFR-1 relay so that you don't get the hyper flash going on situation. And I'll have links to these in the description if you want to get this. And I actually got these instructions from Pioneer 401 on the Vitpilen forums. So shout out to that guy for putting up the pictures and the instructions and making it easier for me to actually make this video. And the tools you're going to need are going to be a Torx screwdriver or Torx bits, T20, T25, or T30. And I'll have pictures of those if you don't know what those are on the screen. And I think that's all you're going to need to remove some of the parts. So let's get to the video and I'll show you guys how to do it. All right, we're going to start off by taking off the headlight fixture off first. So we need to take off 4 screws. There's going to be 2 in the front and 2 in the back near the forks. One is near the wiring harness and the other one is on the opposite side. All right, so the headlight should just come down. And then once you have that off, you just take off these 9 screws to get to the wiring. Then you just loosen this nut so that you can start taking the turn signal off. Alright, follow the wiring and unplug it. So the new turn signals have a bolt that's going to thread through that small hole circled in red, and the big hole is going to be used for the wiring. To make the job easier, disassemble the new turn signals first. Just take those 2 top screws off and you're just going to be left with this metal plate. It's going to make it easier for that bolt to thread and tighten down. Alright, so once that bolt is locked down, just feed the new wiring through the big hole and put the new turn signal back together. The new turn signals use the same type of connection as the old one, so you should be able to just plug in. Alright, so this part was a little confusing, even with instructions provided by Pioneer 401 on the Vitpilen forums. So hopefully I can clear it up, but it's not too difficult. Basically, once you get the new turn signals, if you have it facing towards you with the locking tab facing up, the black cable's in the middle, the red cable's all the way to the right, and we just gotta move them into the right location so that they work with our Vitpilen. All you need to do is push that locking tab that's holding the cable in place, pull back, and it should come out. This is how it should look like. The black cable all the way to the left, right cable all the way to the right, if you're looking at it like this. Probably the most difficult and frustrating part of this whole mod is taking off and putting back this damn V-shaped plastic piece that houses the old relay. I found it easier to take off if you unhook this relay first and then unscrew that plastic piece. Once you have it off, the old relay is the one closest to the driver's left hand side. Pull it off its mount and unplug the cable. Now we just connect the new relay. You can take off the rubber boot from the old relay, but it doesn't necessarily fit on the new one. I kind of made it work, but I've seen someone online just take a small handsaw to the extra plastic from the new relay and it fits perfectly in the boot. I was just too lazy to do that. Alright, so we're done. You just put everything back together and you have the new Rage motorcycle turn signals installed with the new relay. I think these look awesome. Let me know what you think. And as you can see, there's no hyper flash with the new relay installed.